And it's me again. Now, today I'm planning on doing my kitchen counter. If you guys have been watching any of my videos, some of you would know that I've been mentioning my kitchen counter because it needs to be, well, I'm not entirely quite sure what needs to be done with it, but I have come up with a plan to fix it, and the problem with it is that, I guess I would have to show you guys. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure if you guys can see my faucet, but it's really a lot of it has to be on an angle. That's because I have it on here so tight that it's on an angle, and I can freely, well, not freely, but I can move it around quite a bit, and it should never be this loose. And as you guys can tell, I put some screws back here because I went and put some more wood underneath here. Well, let me put it this way. When I first got in this RV, there was a newish, kind of newish faucet that I had put on here previously. Then that was when the RV belonged to somebody else, and when they first got it, the original faucet that was on here was leaking a lot every time you turned the faucet on, and it was, I think that's why all that wood, and the counter is pretty much just made out of pressed wood, so where the faucet goes, it's pretty much just gone. There's hardly any wood left. We're talking about, like, it should be somewhere about this big, and it went down to like this thickness of the counter. So yeah, like you saw how loose it really is, and it really, it's just, I'm more worried that eventually it's gonna give in and my whole sink will either just drop backwards or just fall down. I don't know, but well, the faucet, it's just not, it's not on there nice and tight, and it's an angle. It really bugs me. This is the piece of wood I went in and installed trying to stabilize my faucet. It's working, but not very well. That's how badly the sink itself leaks. All that is water, and I'm just washing my dishes, and you can tell how badly it is with water leaking. I mean, this doesn't look like it just happened. This obviously has been happening for a long time. yeah, I went and put this one in because that's basically for my new faucet. The old one only needed these 2 holes, but this big one I put in myself, and yeah, there's like hardly any caulking left. I'm gonna have to clean all this out, put some new stuff in, and you can see how well this has bubbled up. I mean, this is not even together. Like, these screws are pretty much holding it all together. This is all just fully coming apart, and there's a big dip right in here. So yeah, it's pretty bad in shape. I'm gonna have to do a lot of measuring. Probably have way too much wood, but I'm gonna have to cut up some small pieces, and I got a thin one, and I gotta go put them together. I got some extra angle brackets because like they pretty much saved my whole life here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the outside set up for cutting wood and hopefully getting it in here, and hopefully I can put this all back together so I have some water again. I have 2 regular 2x4s, and then whatever size this is, I don't even really know. But I thought it'd be thin enough. Go right about here underneath, and then these 2 hold it from underneath. I am not able to get this wood piece in here, so what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to take this drawer slider metal piece out, and hopefully that'll give me enough room to where I can actually get the wood piece in there. So that should really help out a lot. This is super nice and stable now. That's not gonna go anywhere. Now I'm just gonna have to go put another hole in here, and I think that'll be good. And maybe put some of the screws back in.